Hi, in this tutorial, we're going to be going over radical equations. So in this tutorial, you'll learn how to solve radical equations and how to solve problems involving square root models. Now, a radical equation is an equation in which the variable occurs in the radicand. So here's how to solve radical equations containing square roots. First, you're going to isolate the radical. Then you're going to square both sides. Then you're going to solve the resulting equation. Next, you're going to check the proposed solution in the original equation. The solution of the squared equation, but not the original equation, are called extraneous solutions. So let's do an example. Let's solve the square root of 2x plus 1 minus x equals -7. So the first thing we're going to do is isolate this variable on the other side. So we get the square root of 2x plus 1 equals x minus 7. So now we're going to take the square root of both sides. And this will eliminate the square root sign. So now we have 2x plus 1 equals x minus 7 times x minus 7. So now we have 2x plus 1 equals x squared plus minus 7x plus minus 7x plus 49. So now we have 2x plus 1 equals x squared minus 14x plus 49. So now we're going to isolate that so we can set this equation to 0. So if we move 1 to the other side, we get 2x equals x squared minus 14x minus 48. Now, if we move 2x to the other side, we get, write that up here, we get x squared minus 16x minus 48. Now we're going to factor this. We have x, we have x, we have plus, we have minus. So now what two numbers, when multiplied, equals 48? 12 and 4, and then 12 plus 4 is 16. So that means that we have two negative signs. So we have 12 and 4. So now what we're going to do is set these equal to 0. We have x, let's go ahead and draw a line. We have x minus 12 equal to 0, and x equals 12. And then here we have x minus 4 equals 0, or x equals 4. So those are our proposed solutions. For this solution, in order to solve this equation, x has to equal 12 or x can equal 4. So in this tutorial, you'll learn how to solve radical equations and how to solve problems involving square root models. Now try and solve problems in our radical equations workbook. For more help, sign up for online tutoring. And in the next tutorial, we're going to be going over rational exponents. Thank you.